This is Morgan here from Fletcher Trading. Today I'm going to be showing you how to set up your custom indicators on your MT4 platform. So when you receive your email, you'll receive 4 files, 3 of which are your indicators and 1 is your template that's going to set everything up. So first you want to go to File, Open Data Folder, then go to MQL4 and then to your indicators list. Once you have this open, go to where you have your files and you want to drag and drop your indicators into the indicator list. So first the daily pivot points, you drag and drop it in, then the elder algorithm, then the trend trader. Once you've done that, you want to go back up again, and then go to templates. Once you have this open, go back to your files and drag and drop elder algorithm system in. This is your template that's going to set everything up. Once you've done that, you want to close down the MT4 platform and then open it back up again. This is going to allow you to access those files. Once you've done that, you'll then click Templates and Elder Algorithm System. And now everything's set up. On the 4-hour chart, you have your trend trader indicator, which is going to tell you the current trend. And then if you drop down to the 15-minute chart, you have your elder algorithm and your daily pivot points. The only thing you'll have to change is the input of the elder algorithm. So I'm currently on the NASDAQ 100, so I'm going to go to indicator list, elder algorithm, and then I'm going to change this to the correct inputs. So for the NASDAQ, I want 8,000 and 7,000. As you can see here, we start to get some signals. If you want to get your hands on this software, then head over to the website fletchertrading.co.uk.